What's up guys, Caro here. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the power words in a real life example. So maybe you're wondering what it's all the process behind using the best words to improve my copy and sell more and evenly persuade more, right? So the thing here guys is that you take it step by step. It's not that you take like a power words list and out of nowhere you just put it in your offer. It goes step by step so you can filter them out. I'm gonna share with you a document full of power words, and what I want you to do is take the power words and then choose which of those you feel gives you that emotion that you want to transmit, right? If you have, like, let's say that you're selling insurance, you want to give like a sense of trust, right? Like a power and trust, something that you can trust always and for the future. So you're gonna take, you don't have to do it in a notebook, but you gotta take all the power words and circle them out, circle the ones that you feel that resonate the most with you and with your audience. So take them, and then after you do that, you go somewhere else, maybe in your document, and you highlight the ones that stand out the most for you. So I'm gonna show you. First, let's say that I wrote these ones. So first you have like 100, then you have like 50, then you have like 10, and then you highlight the top 5. So first, say that I see this one competitive, not so much. In this example, I'm gonna show you how I optimized the name for my ebook, my copywriting ebook, that it was called How to Start Copywriting, and I'm gonna show you how to improve it through power words and what is all the process. Because if I tell you like, yes, you should implement power words and that's it, it's gonna be confusing. So make it step by step, start filtering out, and know that offers can always be optimized. Don't be afraid to do an offer and feel like, okay, this is for the rest of the offer's life, right? If I do it bad, it's not gonna work forever. No, you always can tweak it and tweak it and tweak it, split test it, and see what works better with your audience, even though if you change your audience. So I see competitive, I don't feel it works. Effortless, it's a really good one, because everyone wants things that are effortless, right? Accurate sounds good, because copywriting is something that needs to be accurate. Impressive, not so much. Savvy, yes. When I hear the word savvy, I feel like it's smart as, like something that it's smart, so it's something that people might want. No hassle, also sounds good. Defies common sense. This one gets my attention really much because it's kind of hard to understand, right? Like, it defies the common sense. Is it something good? It is something bad? Maybe you can even use it just to get people's attention. No weight to lose, good, but not so good. I don't think this one applies to this example in specific. Crucial, I really like this one. Hands off, really good one, like hands off, the best. Like, see the difference, guys. If I tell you like, yes, this is the best ebook about copywriting ever, but if you tell me hands off is the best ebook on copywriting, it sounds more powerful, right? And bulletproof. Bulletproof works really good because it's telling people that it's gonna work always. Like this, as human beings, we're always looking for certainty. We're always looking for things that are gonna work forever, right? So if you tell bulletproof, it says that no matter the obstacle, it's gonna work. Like maybe a tactic, or maybe these formulas that I'm giving people out in the ebook, they are bulletproof because no matter the place, what you're trying to sell, they're always gonna work. Easy to implement. I like this one also. Forgotten tactics sounds really cool. Powerful, not so much. Effective, because powerful is too obvious. You don't want the power words to be too obvious. You want them to be kind of like smarty, right? Like people need to imagine something in their head, like, okay, this is kind of different. If you use words, that's the main purpose of power words, not using boring words, right? And if you use a word that people see everywhere, it's not gonna work so much. And must read, it's also a good one. So first I took the huge list, put it in another list, about 50. Now I have like 15 maybe. And now I circled like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now it's the hard part. The ones that you like the most, you need to take them out, right? So I'm gonna take accurate. I don't feel it's good for an ebook. Remember, we're talking about a copywriting ebook, right? It's the thing that we're selling, and we are looking to help people, even though if they don't want to become a copywriter. People that want to be like business owners and they're constantly writing stuff for the business. So how can they improve their business with copy skills without having to increment their advertising spend? So who doesn't want that, right? Savvy, I don't think works that well for this one. No hassle. I do like this one. I do love crucial. Hands off. We're gonna take this one out. Bulletproof. Easy to implement. Really good one. This one maybe for a health niche, like this forgotten tactics, like sounds like ancient, but I don't think it applies to this case. Effective is a really good one, and must read is a really good one. So the thing, guys, is now you need to choose some for the title, for the headline, and then you can use other ones for the sales page. So in this case, when you're gonna work doing the offer, doing the thing, the sales page, improving your business, your online business, you can go there and tweak it out if you have already made it. But if you don't, now you have the power words to guide you through the road. So basically now, let's say that this is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now you have the words that you want, and you can map out the offer with the words, right? So if you don't have the offer yet, you can make sure that your offer looks the way you want, because that's the problem about copywriting, guys. It's too easy to spice things out with copy, but then you need to deliver. Like, you could use all the awesome, the best power words ever, but if your product doesn't deliver, you're not gonna have success for the long term, right? People are gonna buy once, and we want people buying once and over again. So what I recommend is getting the power words first. So in that way, when you make your offer or when you make your sales page, you're gonna use the words and you're gonna take the road that you want. Because when we're making offers, sometimes we defer. We're like, okay, I don't know what to do, and you go through one place and to the other. So in this case, you already have the backbone of your offer and the power words that you're gonna use. And this is really, really important, guys. So what I did is that I took this one, crucial, the one that I loved really much, and put it in the headline. And this is what I came up with. Let me know if you like it, if it sounds good. Crucial copy skills. I decided to use crucial because it highlights the importance of copy, and copy, not copywriting, because it's like quicker, and obviously skills because it's the thing that you want. If you want to do something for the long term and not depend on formulas and other people, you need to build up the skills that are gonna work forever, right? And the other ones, I took them and I used them for the cover. So in the cover I put the most efficient, the most effective, defies common sense, and I also use bulletproof in the other part of my offer. So you see guys, basically it's not that you need to go and decide out of the thousands of power words, because it can be obviously overwhelming. So take the ones that you like the most, just start reading it out. You already know your audience, you know your avatar, you have been sending emails, you have been sending stuff, you have been selling, so you already know, kind of. So take the list and see the ones that just resonate more with your audience, that you feel that it's gonna work better, and then filter them out and do it in a visual way, because if you do it in your mind, you're gonna start looping into the same words and the same things. So write them down and then take decisions. This is the best way, this is the easiest way to do it and have an effective copy, whatever your offer is, whatever your business is. So this is the way, the easy way to implement your power words. I hope it works, I hope you can implement it. I hope it works for you, because it does work. But I hope it helps you out to have a clearer sense. Because if I give you like a list of thousands of power words, you're not gonna know where to start. So do this with your offer. You're gonna get better results, you're gonna persuade people more, and remember that you can always tweak it out, you can always optimize your offer later. So don't worry. My ebook, Crucial Copy Skills, it's a really great place to start out, to have the skills that does matter for the long term. I'm not gonna give you some formulas and some like brainless tactics that you just gotta follow and fill in the blank. I'm gonna show you how to improve your business with skills that last for the long term. If you wanna see more of these free trainings, just subscribe down below and see all the playlists. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.